Hey guys, I am Raihane, and in this video I will show you how to improve the user interface of our mobile application by including Lottie animation file. Let's start. The Lottie animation are vector animation files that are free to use. The official site has these animation files available. For example, Uber, Netflix, Google, Airbnb, Shopify, and other well-known applications use it. There is some advantages of Lottie file. It supports a larger set of After Effects features. Developers can set the progress to add the animation to gesture, event, and so on. Masks are anti-aliased. Developers have the freedom to change speed, color of a specific part of an animation dynamically. Let's start and add Lottie file in our application. Okay, here I have a new project, and first of all we need to add dependency for using Lottie animation. In the module app Gradle file, here I want to add this dependency and sync it. And then we need to choose our Lottie file here. You can see in the Discover menu there is a free animation, and as well we have Marketplace. You can buy a premium Lottie animation, and we use this one, free animation. And here you can see there are a lot of animation, and I want to use this one. Okay, for using Lottie file, we need to download JSON file. Here you can see Lottie JSON. Okay, the download is done. In the Android Studio, I should create a raw folder in the res here. Raw, yeah, you can see, and copy of our JSON file here and paste it here. Here you can see. Let me change the name, just this one. Okay, it's done. And for using this JSON file in our XML code, we need to add the view related to Lottie animation. Yes, this one. And let me, yeah, here. And let me add ID. Lottie animation, and there is here with raw res we can access to our JSON file. Okay, I found the problem about the name that I put here, and I rename it, and here we can see we have access to our JSON file. And there are other tags that we need to set here. The one thing, yeah, about this one, I want autoplay, yes, and also I want our animation has a loop. Yeah, this one, and it's true. Here I guess is done. We can see a result of our animation. I pause the video and I will back. Okay, here you can see the result of our code. And now I want to show you how we can control our animation. And for that, I want to add to bottom here. Wrap content. Set. Yes. And the text start. And I can set it top of parent and start or parent. Let me see. Okay. Margin start, I guess, is enough. Okay, and put the other one btn stop, yeah, and also here is stop and end of parent. And now first of all I want to add view binding here. Yes, sync it. Yes, it's done. And here in the main activity I should set our view binding. Yes is right. No. Yes, and here just copy that, and here it is done. View binding is set for our view. Okay, let's define our bottom here. Yes, set and click listener for my start button. Also, I can copy that for saving time for my another button. Okay. And the code related to our control our Lottie file is so simple. Just that it's called play animation for starting our Lottie file. Pause. Yeah, and the pause animation for stop that. I run again. Okay, here you can see when I click on a start button, my animation is a start, and when click on a stop button is a stopped. Okay, it's done. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and leave me comment. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.